Hey guys, today I wanted to share with you a really simple recipe. Even if you never cooked before and you're expecting guests or just wanted something different for yourself, this recipe might be helpful for you. Before we jump into mixing all of the ingredients, let me show you what I used. I used 1/8 of a regular size onion and chopped it like so, as you can see on the bowl. Next ingredient would be marinated tomatoes, regular size, 4 of them, and you want to blend them. If you have small ones, you can use 5 of them. I already have blended tomatoes in here. Then I use cilantro, like this bunch of it, and chopped it not too long and not too short. Hope you can see. Also, I used 1 teaspoon of olive oil and pepper. I'm going to mix all of the ingredients and let me show you in order what I'm going to do. First, I want to take the bowl with blended tomatoes. Then I'm going to add chopped onion and cilantro. After that, olive oil and pepper. Let me mix and I will get back to you. Here we have it, our homemade marinated tomato sauce or dip. And I wanted to show you the bowl. It's not too big and not too small, probably about a good size for it. And if you want to add an extra touch maybe on top of the dip, you can add few leaves, cut few leaves of cilantro and put them on top. And that would make it even look more beautiful on your holiday table. I hope you'll try this recipe and you will enjoy it. If you like this video, please let me know by leaving me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.